How to log into your Temu account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Temu app in your device. If not, you can launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Temu. Once app appears, install it. After completion of installation process, launch the app. You'll be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you'll see this option of Sign In. Click on it. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. Temu is an online marketplace operated by Chinese e-commerce company PDD Holdings. It offers heavily discounted consumer goods which are mostly shipped to consumers directly from China. Most of the products you see on Temu are directly shipped from Chinese suppliers and factories, while some can be shipped within the US. Now you can use any of these options to log into your account. If you have created your Temu account using any of these options, Google, Facebook or Apple, just click on it and with that you will be logged into your account. Or also you can type in your email or phone number directly over here. In this way, once you type in, click on continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option and recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in. And with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.